Yo, Trixie!
Where you at?
Hey. That's Trixie. Boys, that's Trixie right there. Trix! Trix, what do you at, Trix? Hi, Trix! Nice to meet ya!
That's Thumbelina. Hey, that's Baby Virgin Thumbelina.
Don't tell anyone. Yeah. Let's go, kid. Let's go.
She's only two. She's going there being a hooker, baby.
Come on.
I'm her mother. I'm Trix.
That's Trixie right there. Come on, Trix.
Hi, I'm Trixie.
Come on, you sassy lady.
I'm going to go outside. We're going to tent to face the streets.
It's true. It's true.
There are my fucking boyfriend's slippers down there.
It's true. It's true.
Dirty. Oh my gosh. Would be like. Would be like. Would be like.
What are we like, Trix? Trix back.
Yeah.
What is?
Nothing to moan in the home for days.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
She knows.
We got unlockers left.
We don't know that, sure, do we?
No, no, no. Not a clue. Come on now, Trix. You know it's better than that.
Good morning, Newfoundland. Everyone's gonna look at us.
And I can't wait.
I can't wait till everyone looks at us.
Okay, come on, get out now. We almost 2
You
minutes.
go first.
We almost 2 minutes of this.
You go first.
I.
That's first time ever did anything like that. Rock it down the